Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto strawberry banana cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need 1.5 cups of some kind of flour substitute. I'm using Carbquik. A 1/4 cup of sugar substitute. I'm using monk fruit. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Salt. 1 large egg. 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. A 1/2 teaspoon of banana extract, and a 1/4 cup of freeze-dried strawberries, and you want those pulsed into crumbs. 2 tablespoons of some kind of half and half heavy cream, almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, whatever you want to use, 2 tablespoons. And then I'm using a bar of Lily's white chocolate, or you could use Lily's white chocolate chips. I just thought I couldn't find the chocolate chips, so I'm just going to use the bar and break it into pieces. Preheat your oven to 350 and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper and set it to the side. In a large microwavable safe bowl, melt your butter, and then you want to, in another bowl, whisk together your Carbquik, baking powder, salt, monk fruit, and just give that a whisk until it is all combined. After the butter cools for a few minutes, you can go ahead and add in the banana extract, the 2 tablespoons of liquid heavy cream or whatever you're using, and then go ahead and add in your egg and just beat that with an electric mixer until everything is combined. I added my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients and just beat it with my electric mixer, and then used a spatula to form it into a nice dough. I did add another 1/2 teaspoon of the banana extract because I really could not smell it. My freeze-dried strawberries have all been folded in, and then I just broke up my entire chocolate bar into pieces and also folded that in. So now we are going to use a cookie scoop and scoop out 12 cookies and place them onto our prepared baking pan. My cookies are all ready to go into the oven, and I was actually able to get 15, so that just depends on how big or small you want yours. And I did kind of flatten them down with my hands before I'm going to put them into the oven for 12 minutes at 350 degrees. My cookies came out of the oven, and I just let them cool on the cookie sheet completely before moving them, because they are pretty delicate, and a couple did break still when I moved them. But they look and smell amazing, and I already had a little taste, and they are so good.